Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Want to log into your SportyBet account fast? Here's how to do it using Google Chrome in under a minute. For that, open Google Chrome on your computer or phone. Now in the address bar, type sportybet.com, type www.sportybet.com. Here choose your location preference. I'll go with this one. Now once the homepage opens, tap the login button on the top right corner. Now simply enter your phone number and your password. And if you forgot your password, tap forgot password to reset it. If you want this site to remember you, tap the checkbox for remember me. And if you want to stay signed in, tap the checkbox for that. And once done, tap login, and that's how you will enter your account. You can then place bets, check results, or manage your account. And that's it. That's how you log into your SportyBet using Google Chrome. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.